You can use the match function to search for a specified item in a range of cells and then return the relative position of that item in the range. Let's see this example. Here we are going to click in the cell where we want the formula to be, click on Formula, and then click on Lookup and Reference. Select Match, and this little window will pop up. The lookup value is the value which we will be asking Excel to look for. Lookup array is the place where Excel will be looking for that value. And match type, in match type we have three default values, 1, 0, and -1. For the 1, it means that match finds the largest value that is less than or equal to the lookup value, the value we're looking for. 0, match finds the first value that is exactly equal to lookup value. And the -1 will find the smallest value that is greater than or equal to lookup value. Let's begin. Quotation marks, and put the name or the value you are looking for, and again quotation marks. Lookup array, we are going to select the first column in my case. We can do the selection using the mouse. And for match type, we are going to ask for 0 value. You can go ahead and choose 1 or -1 or 0 depending on your need. And once done, hit OK. And here it shows that Alex has the position the second. And in case you sort your data in the way you want, you will see that the number will be automatically updated.